This tiny implant is helping men urinate normally again. Have you ever wondered why some men have trouble urinating as they get older? A common reason is an enlarged prostate. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder. As men age, it can grow larger and begin pressing on the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. When this happens, it can become difficult to start urinating. The urine stream may become weak, and many men feel the need to use the bathroom more often, especially at night. One treatment for this problem is the UroLift procedure. The procedure begins after the patient is given local or general anesthesia, so they stay comfortable during the treatment. The doctor gently inserts a thin tube with a tiny camera through the natural opening of the urethra and guides it to the prostate. The camera allows the doctor to clearly see the enlarged prostate from the inside. Now comes the most important step. Using a special device, the doctor places a tiny implant into one side of the enlarged prostate. The implant gently pulls the enlarged prostate tissue away from the urethra, creating more space for urine to flow. The same step is repeated on the other side. Depending on the size of the prostate, several small implants may be placed. As the prostate tissue is pulled back, the blocked urethra opens up, allowing urine to pass much more easily. The doctor checks that the urine pathway is open and then carefully removes the instruments. For men with an enlarged prostate, the UroLift procedure can provide lasting relief without major surgery, helping them urinate more comfortably and get back to their normal daily lives.